This question is taken from set. You can see here nx is equal to 40, ny is equal to 60, and x union y is equal to 85. We have to find out intersection and only y. Let's take a start. Here nx is equal to how much given here? 40. Similarly ny is equal to 60. Similarly and x union y is equal to 85. What we have to find out? X union y. So we have to write x union intersection y. X intersection y. What is the formula of intersection? Nx plus ny minus n x union y. Now we have to put the value of x. Nx is equal to here 40, so we have to write on 40 plus ny is equal to 60, so let's write on 60. X union y, which is 85, so write on here 85. When you add this to 40 plus 60, we get here 100 minus 85. Let's subtract this 2, we get here 15. Hope you understand this one. Now we have to find out n only y. N only y. What is the formula of n only y? Ny minus n x intersection y. Ny is equal to, what is the value of ny? You can see here ny is equal to 60, so we have to write on here 60, and 60 minus x intersection y, we get here 15, so 15, and when you subtract, we'll get answer. Hope you understand this video related with set. If you understand, please hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.